What is going on, everybody? Been a while since I made a video, and I've been waiting for this one, let me tell you. So obviously I've got right in front of me the Samsung Galaxy S10. This is a retail packaging, retail edition. So this is the T-Mobile version. I pre-ordered and it just arrived today. So let us check it out. Again, this is the regular S10. I know most of the unboxing videos that you guys have been seeing have been of the Plus. So let's check out the regular S10. Of course, Samsung at its Unpacked event was giving everybody a goodie bag there that included the S10 in its Plus version. All right, so right off the bat here, this was kind of stuck near the top of the box. So SIM ejection tool, your usual little booklets. Nothing different there. That's been the standard Samsung packaging for a few years now. And here is the device. Now let me just put that to the side, even though I know that's what you want to see. Of course, T-Mobile giving me a SIM card. Probably will not use that, at least not initially. And we've got our charging brick. It's in a matte finish this time with no plastic wrapping on it. Samsung did say they want to minimize using plastics, so there you have it. Kind of wish they stuck with black like they did last year, but I believe the black one comes with black accessories, so very nice here. So we got our USB-A to USB Type-C cable, and we've got a pair of AKG headphones here. It's a braided wiring, so that's nice. And here is the phone, huh? There you go, let's hold that upside down. Very light. That's my first thing I noticed about it. It is quite light and definitely thin. And this is just a beautiful color here. This is a really, really nice phone. Love the polish. All right, let's do these satisfying peeling of the plastic. Very nice. And as other YouTubers, other unboxing videos, other people have mentioned, kind of has this iridescent sort of effect to it. It's definitely white, but in different light it reflects differently, and that's just, it's everything I hoped for. Yes, it is, at least so far. Let's hope that the device lives up to the hype. I'll peel these. Actually, you know what? There are people who care about checking out how the metal chassis looks, this polished metal chassis, so I'll try and peel these as well. Alright, so I got the plastic peeled off the edges as well, so you can see that. Very, very nice here. Loving this. It does come with a screen protector, and I'm probably going to peel that off. I don't think I want that. So I'll be peeling that off, but I'll do that in my own time. But meanwhile, here it is. Yeah, that's a pre-installed screen protector on there. Samsung did mention that they were going to do that. Beautiful. Just really, really nice. And it reminds me a little bit, even though Samsung did the polished metal chassis before Apple, they did it with the S8, and then with the Note 8, it was super polished. But Apple followed suit on the iPhone 10, and this reminds me of that a little bit, so just a little side-by-side comparison for you. Very nice. This they're very similar in size too. Obviously the S10 is a little bit taller, but the iPhone 10 is a 0.5 millimeter wider, I believe. I think it's 70.9 millimeters wide compared to 70.4 on the S10. They're almost the exact same thickness. I believe there's like a 0.1 millimeter difference between them, so you won't really tell. But again, really, really nice. Been waiting for this one. I also have a Note 9 with me here, in case you want to compare those size-wise. I mean, look, my hands aren't small. Fairly tall person, but I love being able to use the phone one-handed full time with no problems. And so I think I'm going to look forward to this. And the Note 9 is an awesome phone though. Really great phone. No complaints actually. It's been perfect. Best Note device I've ever owned. And so you want to compare the size here. I mean, it's quite noticeable. Quite noticeable. Taller, wider, thicker. So be interesting to see if they can trim down the size a bit for the Note 10, because this was bigger than the Note 8. Of course, some people like that, so maybe they don't want them to trim it down. Anyway, this has been the unboxing of the Galaxy S10 retail packaging, T-Mobile, and I'm looking forward to putting this thing to use, and I'll check back in with you guys later. Thank you.